end to last week, and a good Monday so far. So we talk about a few things this morning as we get into it. I'm always live here with Edgeful for pre-market prep. I tried some shorts on the DAX this morning. Did not work out. You guys know me. I love using the opening range. So got that opening range play. So my algos lost for the DAX as well as my discretional trading too. Try to get some follow through to the downside. We did not get. So actually looks like we want to move higher now too. And that agrees with what we are seeing kind of on the American markets too. We're making new all-time highs on the NASDAQ overnight. We are up almost a percentage, obviously after Friday's sell-off. We had quite a big sell-off coming into Friday. So I can maybe speak about what I was seeing there. Let's just put on the New York session view app. And you can check these indicators out live on the Edgeful website, right? You can check them out over there. Let's just get my Edgeful screen up and working as well. As we wait for that, let's do this. Let's do this. Have to get that up and working, but yeah, you can get the indicators up, and that actually draws in the opening range high, as you can see there, and low as well. So very, very nice sell-off here. So what I saw on Friday, and this is actually similar to what the trade I tried to take this morning on the DAX, which didn't work. And that's the thing about trading. And we had a couple of comments in the Edgeful Discord as well over the weekend saying that, you know, the algos and that were working well for the first 15 days and then had 3 losses in a row. That can be trading for you. There's no holy grail. Nothing's going to win all the time, but we actually do have the Edgeful. Let's go like this. Let's put it up over here. Okay, you can actually see on the right-hand side of here, you can get access to the trading view indicators, and then as well as the Ninja Trader indicator access too. We can see if we can make that a little bit larger. There we go. That should make the screen a little bit larger for you guys. There we go. That should make that larger. Yeah, let me know if that screen is a little bit bigger for you guys. But yeah, on the right-hand side of here, Ninja Trader indicator access as well as the trading view indicator access. And that plots in the opening range high and opening range low as mentioned. Okay. And basically my trade on Friday was a break of the opening range. The algos took that nice quick short to win. I'm normally targeting about 0.5 of the range. So on NASDAQ on Friday, we had a 50-point range and it goes over 50 points. So that was pretty neat. But basically my trade, which my discretional trading, was a pullback to that VWAP with the stop at the high. And we end up targeting back to the lows. We end up getting that sell-off quite nicely. And those I took on my futures accounts and puts me up quite nicely to start the month. Yeah, let me know if that sizing, if that works a little bit better for you guys. But yeah, we can see we are trading high overnight now into the open. And I would not be surprised to see, sell-offs being bought. Just like we do get Friday, we sell off. And then to start the week, just absolutely ripping, right? Absolutely ripping to start the week. So yeah, I think for me and how I like to trade, I like to use as I said, opening range and VWAP and trade in line with those trends. But then again, there's a few Edgeful reports which I do like to use. One of them being that opening candle continuation report. Okay, the opening candle continuation report like this, right? The first hour being bullish, we want to look for longs and vice versa for the shorts. We can go to any ticker. Let's have a look at NVIDIA in the last 3 months. Let's have a look at NVIDIA in the last 3 months. We can actually see when that first hour has been bullish, we've closed the day 77% of the time as a bullish closing day, and then vice versa for the short, 68% of the time. So I like to trade in line with some of the reports I do really, really enjoy. One of them being the Orb report, the opening candle continuation report, and a few others. Something also interesting to have a look at is this previous day's range report. Okay, we have taken out the previous day's highs now. Okay, Friday's highs on the NASDAQ, which we already are trading as an outside day heading into the open. Okay, so with that being said, we could see maybe some big volume and volatility come in today because you know that outside days tend to be better for, or at least for me in my trading system that I like to trade. Inside days can tend to be more choppier, right? We can see once we take out the previous day's high and low, we tend to trade a little bit better. I think it was last week, Tuesday, you can see over here on the NASDAQ, we traded almost completely as an inside day. We sparked the lows there, but look how choppy this price action was. We're trading within a very, very tight range, and that can lead to, I took a loss. I tried some shorts in continuation here and just didn't work out. So we have taken our previous day's highs. I think the DAX could possibly be coming off to take those highs as well back over here. at 667. That would be my targets on the longs over there. I tried the shorts now. I've got some longs running from 533. But yeah, I'm going to be live on stream as always. I've got some, this pre-market prep. I'm going to be in the Edgeful Discord rest of the day as always. But then I am live on stream here. You can come and hit the link in my bio. Use the code FIRST for a free month. And we'll see if we can catch anything to start the week. I'm getting close. I took a nice pound end of last week, 15K across some of the prop firms. And I'm looking to take some more heading into the week. So come trade live with me. See how I'm going. See if you can catch some trades with me. Yeah, but I appreciate you guys' time. We'll be back in here for Wednesday through to Friday for pre-market prep. Keep it light, keep it tight.